Hey everyone, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and we have something very special today. This is the Fujitsu Quaderno, but this is not the 10.3-inch model we've already reviewed and done coverage on. This is the A4 Beast. This one is 13.3 inches. This is the full A4 paper size model. This is a 13.3-inch note-taking device. This one is the latest note-taking device to come out. This is 2020, and we are sitting at June, possibly July when you see this video. We just filmed this at the tail end of June, and we're going to open this up for the first time, show you everything that comes in the box, and we will do a full review and some comparisons on this coming up in the days to come. It's a very big box. We're going to explore everything that comes in it and then open the device itself. So you have your Quaderno A4 certificate here showing you some assistance here, help desk, hardware issues, etc. You do get your package of stuff. So we're just going to open this up like so. See what's inside. So we have our stylus, removal tool, USB. So this will be a micro USB cable. You'll see right there. It's used for charging the device and transferring data to and from. You have your Fujitsu stylus. So we'll try to take this out as best we can. This is the Fujitsu stylus that gets included with all the Fujitsu products. This is a proprietary stylus. No other stylus pen will work. Only the M01 line of stylus pens will work on this device. So if you bought the one for the Quaderno 10.3 or the 13.3, they will both work. So hold on to that. You have a couple replacement nibs as well as a removal tool. It's a little clasp. If you lose this, it's not a big deal. You just basically use a pair of scissors or your fingernails to pull the nib out. It's not really the end of the world. And here's some manual. Now the documentation, don't be scared. It is all in Japanese, but it doesn't really restrict you because you actually do have English firmware on the device. It is fully usable in English. You just simply click English when you turn it on, and away you go. Here's the device itself. There's nothing else in the box. I'm assuming there's nothing under here. Nope, it is just a little recyclable cardboard box. So go ahead and hold on to that if you want to keep your box nice and safe. You get this very nice little felt package here, and there you go. Here is the Quaderno 13.3. This thing is huge. It is flexible e-ink, so you do have a little bit of flex to it. You can see right here, you're not going to snap the screen like a LCD LED panel. You see you do have some bend. And on the back, you see that it says Fujitsu Client Computing Limited. It has the lithium-ion badge thingy, and it says Fujitsu, and you have your NFC logo at the top, as well as a button. You can see this thing is very massive. It is extremely light. I can hold this with just, finger in my thumb. It's very, very lightweight. And we'll just do a first-time boot up. We're not going to go deep into this device. We're just simply going to turn it on, show you guys it is a real thing, and that it does power up. You will see right there. This is basically everything that comes in the box. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. But for now, this is the Fujitsu Quaderno A4. And they call it the A4 because it simulates a regular piece of paper. Most countries in the world use A4 paper size, so that's why they call it that. And you can see it's just booting up. It says welcome in English, of course. So even though this is a Japanese product, it does come with an English firmware, so that shouldn't turn you off of this device in any way. Actually, very quickly it boots up into the start language. So you select English or Japanese, you go ahead and press next. We're not going to go through all this, but just to show you, it is the pretty much what you are to expect from Fujitsu, and it's pretty much the exact same OS as the Fujitsu Quaderno A5. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.